Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Inventor tutorial how to make part transparent. So as example I will create sketch here. So you can draw rectangle and the next use the extrude tools to convert into 3D. And the second we create again the rectangle object. And use the extrude again to convert into 3D. Now if you want to make transparent this object or extrusion tool, you can go to tools and we can use the branch. Okay, select the object and I will use the clear material. So you can right click and then assign to selection. Click close. Now if you render, the object will be set into the transparency. You can go to Inventor Studio and click render image. Click render. So the part will be automatically transparent. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Inventor 2027. How to make part transparent.